Can people tell who you are and what you do within seconds of looking at your Instagram profile? My name's Paige Major, and I'm a brand strategist and photographer that helps multi-passionate entrepreneurs create a brand that attracts their dream clients by being themselves. If you feel like your Instagram profile is not helping you attract the right kind of people or any people at all, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you 6 things your profile needs in order to attract your dream clients on Instagram. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and comment below with your Instagram handle. Listen, I have not had my Instagram act together from the beginning. I definitely had a profile that read something along the lines of mom, wife, lover of rainbow, pizza, and paper. Yeah, that doesn't sound like a profile that's trying to attract any kind of business or market myself. It sounds like a person who's just enjoying life and doing their own thing. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. Number 1, make sure you have a photo that is high quality. Think of it as a first impression. People should be able to tell what you look like at a quick glance. They say that the eyes are the window to the soul, so if you're trying to connect with people, it's best to look at the camera versus looking away. If you're a business that uses a photo of your products or a logo instead, be sure that it's sized appropriately to fit inside of the circle without being cut off. Number 2, make sure your title is straightforward and easy to understand. I help educate today's youth to become tomorrow's future. I think you're a teacher, but I'm not really sure, which means your followers probably aren't sure. Don't try to be creative. Say what you do as straightforward as possible. Example, I am a brand strategist and photographer. Number 3, who is your account for? When I come to your Instagram profile, I want to know right away if your account is for me. If I see that your account is for women climbing the corporate ladder, nope, I don't need to follow you. That's not me. However, if your account is for moms who own businesses, yep, that's me. I can relate to that. I'm going to look a little further and see who you are and what you do, which leads me to number 4, let people know the benefits of following you. People really want to know what's in it for them. They may fit your type of client, but if what you offer isn't something they're looking for or interested in, there's really no need for them to follow you. What do you help people do? What does your account provide? Why should I follow you? Number 5, contact information and location. If someone wants to work with you, don't make it hard for them to get in touch with you. Be sure to include your email address or a link to your website. If you only work in one specific area, be sure to mention that in your profile. If you're a brick and mortar location, make sure you list your actual physical address. I can't tell you how many times I've stumbled across cute photos and I cannot for the life of me find where they're actually located. It's super frustrating. Number 6, give a gift. If you want someone to further connect with you, offer them something first. Think of it as a gift in exchange for further connecting. Kind of like buying somebody a drink. It could be a free guide or a free checklist. Anything that you can do to add value in exchange for furthering the connection. Ideally, this will be a link that takes them to your website or a landing page where you will collect their email address. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And in the comments below, let me know what you found most helpful. If you have friends that use Instagram to connect with their clients or customers, please share this video with them.